Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your GPS isn't locking on REALME Watch 5S. It's a very common issue that has a couple of simple solutions. Now, many users can experience the issue where they start a workout and then they try to link their GPS location to a workout, but the GPS just goes in circles without actually locking. And this is most often caused by you being under the roof. Unfortunately, the GPS cannot actually detect your location if you are inside in most cases, and that's exactly the reason why I will not be detected by GPS unless I go outside. Now, in such case, the only solution would be starting the workout directly outside of the house. Also, the GPS might not be able to detect your location near some tall buildings, so just try to move somewhere with a better coverage. I think your mobile data, the mobile data signal on your phone would be a good indicator of a good GPS signal around you. So the better your mobile data signal is, the better your GPS location is, more or less. And now, if going outside doesn't do anything for you, you can also just try to restart your watch. To do that, we have to go to settings on our watch. Then we're gonna have to scroll down to System and select Restart. And if the restart doesn't do anything for you, then instead you have to go to your REALME Link application on your smartphone to which the watch is connected. Then go to your watch menu, scroll down, and go with GPS Upgrade. As you can see, I actually have new GPS version. Sometimes you actually have to link using GPS at least once to find the newest GPS upgrade. And this may even result in your watch having better GPS coverage, therefore you might be even able to start the workout from inside the house. But honestly, I don't think I can start it from here, so yeah. Still, the best solution is just going outside where GPS coverage is the best. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.